shoves down a queen, but we are on the move and we have a pawn just one square away from promoting. So that looks really promising. And we also notice that black's king is kind of hiding here in the corner. And if we look at our most forcing ideas first, we might even think there could be a checkmate here with bishop to c1. Now here it does look like the king is completely trapped, but when we make a move, we always want to think about what is the space we left behind. And in this case, the bishop does attack the king, but it's no longer protecting the pawn. So this is not going to work out in our favor. Now going back, our most direct move is to simply promote our pawn into a queen. Now we're up a full piece, everything feels good, but unfortunately, black can actually force a draw by capturing our pawn, attacking the king, forcing it to the g-file, and now black can force a trade of queens. And after we capture the queen, black recaptures, and when the smoke clears, black has a pawn, we have a bishop, no way to win the game. So this is going to fizzle out into a draw. So going back, what are we going to do? Promoting the pawn into the queen didn't work. We wanted to attack the king, but we don't want to give up this key square. Well, how else could we attack the king? Seems like an odd question, right? The only piece that looks like it can attack the king is the bishop, but interestingly enough, we have an undercover hero. When you promote, it's almost always going to be a queen, but it doesn't have to be. Here, we can actually under-promote to a knight. The undercover hero makes its presence known, delivering a very nice mate. The king is unable to move here because of the pawn, and notice the bishop is doing its thing on the long diagonal, preventing the king from escaping. So only a one-move puzzle, but a really important move in concept to keep in mind, the under promotion.